Hello friends, today I want to show how to solve iPhone stuck in headphone mode. As you know, this is very known problem for all iPhones. So actually I solved the problem. So in my phone you cannot see headphone stuck, but yesterday I solved it. I review many videos in the YouTube, but none of them solve my problem. For example, I tried this kind of cotton pin and insert the headphone jack, or clean the inside. Even I opened the iPhone case and tried to dry inside. Previously my iPhone had a problem because of the water damage. So how did I solve? It's very simple. So I'm simulating. As you can see, iPhone has a headphone jack inside, and even you plug out or plug in, this logo not changing if you have a headphone problem. So you are going to, I'm showing how to solve problem. You are going to settings, and under the settings there's a sound, and under the sounds you will change the ringtone by selecting any ringtone like this. So most probably this will work even you have a headphone mode. But I realized that when I come to this menu, Apple give a chance to us. You are seeing that normal speaker mode is on. So, and when I see normal speaker mode is on, I also saw that there is a music option here, music dashboard. So your music, Apple Music. Also, you should have an Apple Music open and installed. Actually, it is installed as default. Just music must be work. This is the mandatory. And then, while you are changing the ringtone, you will start music. You see?
Metallica family, are you with us? Are you with us? Metallica is with you.
And
With some old stuff.
while music is open, you can go to music, and even you plug or plug in, plug out, your iPhone become normal. So this is the final statement, and the problem was solved by using two methods. This ringtone while you change the ringtone, you will start music. That's it. This is the solution. Thank you. Bye bye.